You're back here, Wayne. Don't be afraid. Wow. Now I actually get to see what it feels like to be a bartender. Can I get you a drink, sir? Come right here. Somebody with black, wavy hair. Would that be you? Last call, buddy. Last call. We're closing shop. Everybody must go. Right. Thought you did.
No.
Guy's voice? What did it say?
Right?
That's what I thought.
You didn't think?
No. Did you hear that?
What was